Samsung may have accidentally shown us for the first time what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra special. It was interesting that it came from a small action hidden inside One UI 8.5, not from a flashy launch trailer or a well-designed press graphic. This wasn't made by a fan or based on an idea. This image is part of Samsung's own software, and it tells us right away something very important. The current design has been worked on long enough to be considered finished. The first thing that stands out from the front is the punch-hole camera, which is a lot bigger than what we've seen on earlier S Ultra models. From an artistic point of view, it does look like a step backward. Samsung did not, however, just make it bigger for no reason. According to earlier reports, the S26 Ultra's selfie camera will have a wider field of view, going from 80 degrees to 85 degrees. Because of the extra covering, the punch hole had to get bigger so that the sensor could fit. So, while it might not look as neat on paper, this is one of those changes that stands out more when you think about how people really use the front camera, especially for group photos and video chats. If you look more closely at the animation, you can see that the phone has a softer overall shape than the S25 Ultra because the edges are rounder and the bezels are a little smaller. One of the small complaints about new Ultra phones is that the frame itself doesn't seem as sharp. It has smoother edges, which should make it a lot easier to hold for long amounts of time. Also, there's a small but interesting change around the S Pen area. The clicker end now looks more curled and mixed into the frame. This is exactly the same as other CAD-based leaks that have been found. Now, the big new thing on the S26 Ultra might be the privacy display technology, which is the real star of this video. Now comes the really interesting part. Samsung provides an in-depth visual demonstration of how the tool works. On top of that, it's incredibly easy. When you look at the screen straight on, everything looks fine. If someone tries to peek from the top, bottom, or side, however, the screen clearly dims and becomes much harder to read when you move the phone. The idea behind this is simple but strong. It cuts down on shoulder surfing a lot, whether you're in a coffee shop, on a crowded bus, or waiting in queue to check something important on your phone. These things are even more important because they are not just program tricks. The privacy feature is built right into the display circuitry because it uses a cutting-edge Flex Magic OLED screen. Because of this, Samsung is only letting the S26 Ultra do this. For some reason, it won't be added to the basic S26 or the S26 Plus through an update. Neither will older Ultra devices. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.